With design in general, we like to talk about ebbing and flowing. So first, expanding your understanding of a project, doing research, reaching out to sources you may never have thought of, and ideating and ideating and ideating and ideating some more.
Product design is probably one of those terms that people get confused by. They think, okay, do you design cars? Do you design packaging? And the reality is that product design right now is quite a broad term and quite a general term. There's a lot happening in the world today. Climate change we're aware of. We also have this desire to do adventure recreation. We also tend to take on new occupations. And some of those occupations, whether it's recycling e-waste, some of those situations are unfamiliar and they aren't situations we've designed for before. So in this program, we try to define what we need to do to understand those environments, and then we look at how to design equipment that protects people.
The Hyperbaric Chamber Project is a third-year product design group project done over the course of 9 weeks that involves rapid prototyping, ideation, conversation with industry experts, as well as production of a full-scale working prototype.
It's actually a device that someone takes to height. So if they're climbing Everest or any of the other summits, they're always at risk of low oxygen. They need a device that can simulate bringing them down. The students identified this as an opportunity to design something that's lighter weight, to design something that more people could access so that they could more safely climb and summit some of these great adventures that we all seek.
Hey, this is Liz Rose. It's May 23rd at 11 a.m. and I'm on top of Everest.
I've actually had altitude sickness several times. Not extreme amounts, but enough that one of these bags would have been helpful.
For someone like Elizabeth Rose, who's a young climber, accomplished mountaineer, she recently completed the 7 summits, and she was really instrumental in sharing some of that experience with her students.
I came in at the early stages and saw a PowerPoint that the students did and all their ideas for the project, and I asked them some questions and gave them my feedback through my experiences in the mountains.
Within product design, we are so lucky to have many opportunities to work with industry. Outside of the classroom and the workshops, we weren't just cutting fabric and tracing paper, but we were able to go out and speak with those who are most familiar with the industry that we're working within. We were able to get specific knowledge that you can't find online or in journals or reports.
Research is a big part of it, so they'll visit various sites. So we try to ground their experience in people who are actually building these objects. I think it's probably one of the most exciting programs because it's for diggers. It's for people with ideas, and it's for people who want to make things come to life, to address some of the challenges that they see in the day-to-day.